how to book a flight using WayAway step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to book a flight using WayAway, one of the fastest and easiest travel tools out there. If you want the best deals, check the link in the description before you start. It'll take you straight to the WayAway flight search page. Open your browser and head over to wayaway.com. You'll see the main search bar right on the homepage. Super simple and clean. Now choose your country and select how many days you want to stay. Once everything looks good, click See Itinerary. Now you'll see all the details about your travel plan. Quick reminder, the link in the description gives you access to the best available rates, so use that if you haven't already. Scroll down and click Buy. Now you're on the booking page. Fill in your full name, your email address, your contact information. Make sure everything matches your passport exactly to avoid any issues later. Then click Send. Now select your payment method. In my case, I'm choosing to pay with Visa or MasterCard. Enter your card details, confirm your booking, and you're done. Within a few minutes, you'll get your e-ticket by email, and that's it. Your flight is booked through WayAway. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check the link in the description for discounts and the best flight deals. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.